Thanks for joining us again. So this video is about these dirty tiles, cement floors. They are ceramic floors. Let's say that. Because I can remember right now what they were. But this floor, we did not use any hard machine to clean. We just used our chemicals to clean. I don't even like saying chemicals. We used our soap to clean, and the result that we got The result that we got is this beautiful exposure. This still image shows you how dirty it looks. And then you can see the transformation. If this is something that you think that you work for you, give us a call. We're more than happy to help you with it. Have a great day. Hope you enjoy.